Hello, today's vowel is going to be the phoneme and you can hear this sound in words like bird, worm and turn. So how do we pronounce this phoneme? So what you need to do is put your tongue in the middle of your mouth and it can't be touching anything, not your teeth, not the top of your mouth, not your tongue, nothing. So somewhere in the middle. And then you need to slightly round your mouth. So not like ooh, but a little bit wider open. So uh, uh, Remember, it's got two dots after the symbol, which means it's a long sound. And this is one of the most common mistakes that people make. They make it too short. So instead of saying bird, they'll say bird. So it needs to be a long vowel, bird. So try saying this sentence. The bird turned toward the world. Can you say this sentence? Did you find this video helpful? If you did, check out some of my other ones. And thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.